Hi everyone, today we're going to review the new GoKWH LifePO4 battery. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, we just had the epic snowstorm here in the East Coast. We're in Virginia, and back in 2022 we lost power for 5 days, and a lot of people in Virginia, up to like 150,000 people, lost power for at least 2 weeks. We were fortunate we only lost the power for 5 days, but man, when the temperature is like 12 to like 17 degree like now, it is so freezing here in Virginia. And the thing was, we didn't have the backup power to run our heat, and the electric poles, fell because there was too much ice and snow, and we had 2 trees falling on our roof. But do you have the backup power system to run your heater when you lose the main power source? The thing is, our house gets cold really fast. I remember when we lost power the first day, the temperature went down from 77 to like 25 inside the house within less than 24 hours, and we had to burn all our firewoods. And guess what? We underestimated the snowstorm and the ice storm. We didn't have enough firewoods, so our firewood supply didn't last like a whole day. So we lost our heat, and man, it was horrible. And the thing was, there are some people who actually freeze to death inside their home, so it's really sad. Like right now, this month, after we got this epic snowstorm in the East Coast, at least 60,000 people lost their power. Hopefully they got their power by now. But anyway, we're going to review this battery, and I'll be back. Hi everyone, we're glad we're finally inside the house. It is warmer here than outside. It was 17 degrees outside. We were freezing. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and show you how to set up your emergency backup power supply using the GoKWH 12V LifePO4 battery. It is a lithium iron phosphate battery. It's really good. The thing is, when you lose power, you need this backup battery, okay? And I'm going to show you how not to freeze to death inside your house when you lose your power, okay? So what you need is this LifePO4 battery, and you need a power inverter. I use my Renogy 2000 watt. This is super powerful one. What we want to do now is we want to connect the battery to the power inverter right here. So make sure you get all the port right here. We're gonna go ahead and do it like that, and we connect it, tighten it. Before we connect the negative port, okay, we want to get a resistor right here, just for at least 10 to 15 seconds. So you want to create a spark. I'm just gonna let it hold it right now and connect it to the negative port, the resistor right there. 10 to 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now once you connect the resistor for like 10 to 15 seconds, you just want to let it go and remove the bolt. See, there's no spark. If you connect the negative port without the resistor, it's gonna create a big spark. And then guys, when dealing with LifePO battery, it's good to have a safety goggle thing. Sometimes the spark is so bad, sometimes people forget to connect this, and then you got like a spark that can hit your eye, so it's no good, okay? So now, once it is connected to the LifePO battery, now we can turn I'm gonna show you how to, we can turn it on. There you go. Now we have power, okay? This way, you can connect your emergency heater to this. Look at this. Now we have heat right here. Hold on. Let me turn the heater on. There you go. Voila! If you lose power, okay, for 5 to 7 days, at least what you want to do is you want to stay in one room and seal up the windows and put all your family members and your pet in that one room, so you can what, share the heat and isolate that room. And the cool thing about this, you can even run your, what do you call that, multiple device, like your laptop, you know, so you can actually work. Look, isn't that nice? You got a heater, you got a laptop, now you have a, and this thing is pretty powerful. Look at that. Show them, Brenda. This is my daughter is helping me. I'm running a heat at a full blast at 86 degrees, and look how still full the power is. Yeah, this is really nice, guys. This is how you set up your winter emergency power, okay, using a LifePO4 battery right here. What you need is a LifePO battery. I'm gonna put everything in the description, and this is one of the power inverter right now. And guess what? You can use this in your RV. If let's say use your solar panel to recharge this. And the thing is, it's really simple. Let's just turn it off since we are done. And let's disconnect this. And the thing is, you can use you can either charge this battery using a special LifePO battery recharger that is connected to the regular AC outlet, and then what do you call it? Or you can connect this battery to the solar panel recharger while you are in the RV. So let's say you need to bug out, right? You need to go somewhere for emergency for when the bad thing hit the fan. YouTube censor that, so I cannot say the S word. So anyway, so yeah, you can recharge this using a solar panel as well as the regular AC outlet. So the thing is, you want to make sure your battery is fully recharged at 100%. So and then it just store it in a safe place. So when emergency hit, guess what? You can go ahead and run it. Make sure you turn it off before you connect everything. Make sure the power of the inverter is off, and everything is disconnected before you unplug everything. So yeah, anyway guys, yeah, make sure you guys check out this GoKWH LifePO4 battery. This is super powerful, and you guys need this. A lot of people checklist in the emergency supply. I made that mistake. I thought we have food, we have water, we have medicine, but guess what? We didn't have emergency power backup, and heat is so important. The thing is, the threat of World War III is in the loom. Now, war in Ukraine, war in Israel. Now the United States just bombed the Houthi rebels, and the Iranian, shot missile to Pakistan. Pakistan shoot back. I mean, it's just a mess, the world, guys. If we get into we got attacked by EMP, and the main power source is gone, you guys are on your own. So it is so important to have emergency power backup in your house for you and your family, so you will survive the catastrophe. Anyway, guys, make sure buy this product as part of your emergency supply, winter emergency supply, because this is so important for your survival. Anyway, love you guys. Bye.